Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to improve your close range fight in Call of Duty Mobile. Well, to do that, master your field of view or FOV and graphics settings. Understanding your field of view and optimizing graphic settings is crucial for enhancing your gaming experience. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you make the most out of these settings. Understanding FOV. Think of a camera FOV as a wide-angle lens, providing a broader view of your surroundings, ideal for spotting enemies. On the other hand, FOV acts like a telescope, magnifying distant objects. Depending on your preferences and device, you may want to adjust these settings accordingly. When it comes to your frame rate optimization, set your frame rate to the highest possible for smoother gameplay. Higher frame rates allow you for more fluid movement, especially in fast-paced scenarios. Aim for ultra settings to maximize visual quality without compromising performance. When it comes to aiming precision, ensure your aiming settings are configured to maintain stability. Avoid options that interfere with weapons' performance during aiming to keep your aim steady and precise. Utilize damage numbers. While damage numbers may not directly affect your aim, they provide valuable information about your enemy's health status. Use them to gauge your progress in taking down opponents. When it comes to HUD customization, adjust your heads-up display to suit your device, whether it's a tablet or a smartphone. Customize it to accommodate your preferred gameplay style and control preferences. When it comes to optimal finger placement, maximizing your control is important. Utilize multiple fingers to efficient control. Allocate specific fingers for different actions, such as aiming, firing, and movement. Experiment with finger placement to find what works best for you. And when it comes to aiming techniques, focus on using a smaller portion of your thumb's surface for aiming to enhance control and accuracy. Position your hands comfortably to avoid strains, allowing for extended gaming sessions without discomfort. And that's how to improve your close range fight in Call of Duty Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!